Hello, my name is Jason Winokur, and I'm a developer on Offworld Trading Company. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to mod the game. The first thing you'll want to do is launch the game. If you've launched the game recently, you probably don't need to do this step, but this step will copy any of the internal data and put it in a reference folder that we can use to see what values we can edit. So that's enough to copy the values, and it places them and sets up all the folders we need for modding. We can find them in My Documents, My Games, Offworld, and Mods. All you do to create a new mod is to create a new folder and give it the name of your new mod. I'm going to name this one Test Mod. And that's all there is to it. We just created a mod. To see that we've created a mod, we play the game, and we go to the options and gameplay, and we switch our game mod to test mod. We press OK, and it accepted it, and there are no errors. One way you can tell that it's using the mod is down here with the version number. You can see the Offworld version number, and then next to it is the mod that it's playing, test mod. Now we haven't changed any values in our mod yet, so let's do that now. I'm going to open up the test mod, and it's empty. You see that the test mod is empty. So where do we get the values from? Well, we have copied all of the internal data into this hidden folder and reference and data. And so here are all of the internal XML data files. So we need to create a new folder with the same path called data, and now we can put some of these XMLs in here and it'll replace them. So let's say we want to change the expansive headquarters claims and give them 1,000 extra claims to start the game. All we do is find the right XML, which in this case is hq.xml, and put it into our mod. And so now when we launch the game, it's going to use our version of the HQ data. So if I open that, you can see that there's a bunch of entries, and each entry has a type, and this one is the headquarter expansive. And I want to change the headquarter expansive and give it 1,000 extra claims. If I close that and launch the game, then it keeps the mod that you had last selected, and you can see that I launched the game and it still has test mod as the selected mod. To make sure that it worked, we can launch a single player skirmish and place down an expansive headquarters, and we notice that we have 1,005 remaining claims. That's a lot of claims. We're going to spend some of them right now. And I'm going to hold down the Shift key while I build these, which is a shortcut to continue to place the same building that we have selected. Then you can right-click to exit out. And so we just spent a bunch of claims and we still have 992 left. So I think that means that our mod is working. What we did in this mod was replace the entire hq.xml with a new version. Now this works for testing purposes, but this is not a good idea because when a new patch comes out, it's probably going to break this mod, as the original hq.xml is going to change, but ours won't. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to describe a better way to change the XML data without invalidating the old data. Until next time.